For those who was trying to guess the new color that I have chosen, I have a bad news. Today's episode will be without the color. Welcome back to my channel, and today we will see those amazing transformations that was done to my beautiful Italian car. Oops, wrong car. Welcome back to my channel, and today we will see amazing transformations that was done to my beautiful Alfa Romeo 4C. Today's episode will be the last one when you see disassembled car, and I expect that in the next episode car will be completely finished, maybe except some small things as I'm still waiting for some parts to arrive. And also I want to make next episode special and present to you the color that I have chosen for this car. As you see, car is already painted, but today we filming in black and white to keep this color in a secret. So now let's see what happened to the car since last episode. Front of the car is still not assembled, as currently we're trying to connect new headlights. Previously I have decided to replace original US headlights with these European headlights from launch version. Currently everything is connected except the running lights. The problem here is that original headlights has only one LED control module, which was located in the driver's headlight, and this headlights has two LED control modules separated for right and the left headlight. So currently we're trying to connect them to US wiring. Next thing is front bumper. Unfortunately, guys who was painting the car missed that around the grills here should be black color, but they painted it in the body color. And initially I was thinking to repaint this whole part, but then I have found another solution for this. I think all of you has heard about Koshi Group. They making carbon fiber parts for a lot of cars, and Alfa Romeo is one of them. And I was able to get covers for these parts that was painted in the wrong color, and now I will show you. I think this inserts looks much better than just painting this part in a black color, but as always you are welcome to write your thoughts in comments and we will discuss it with you. Also, I'm still in doubt about this launch edition inserts. Originally I bought OM ones and painted them in a body color, and later as I was ordering something from Koshi, I have ordered carbon ones from them. So now I will unpack them and show them to you. I think it is the wrong one. I'm on the wrong side. So yeah, this one. And I still don't know which one to use. Carbon fiber looks good because here we will have carbon fiber headlamp and carbon fiber inserts, but this one is also looking good. So I'm still not sure which one to choose. So as always, I'm asking your thoughts. Please write what do you like more. You can find both solutions over the internet. How does they look? So please write your comments. We will discuss it with you. Also, I needed to order new wheel carriage protection because launch edition had different one with holes for these bumper inserts. I think they made these inserts for better brake cooling. I'm not sure here. And price for this wheel carriage is almost crazy because one wheel carriage protection costs more than 400 euros, and I needed to order two for the front and one for the rear because one of them was damaged with the car, and the next one need to be ordered to meet these inserts in the bumper. And next thing is rear spoiler. I love how 4C looks with this carbon fiber one ducktail, and I have ordered one original from factory. I saw that both coupe and Spider version has the same curve of the rear lid, but unfortunately they don't have it. They are completely different. You see, when this spoiler comes from coupe version, and it have big gap here and there. And it's crazy because this part from factory costs around $4,000. I have bought it cheaper, but anyway, it's very expensive piece of carbon, and it doesn't fit this car. And as I was interacting with Koshi, I have asked them about this problem, and they said that they have spoiler for Spider version. And here I want to say many thanks to Lendita Koshi. She helped me to choose the right parts and organize the shipping to Ukraine. So, as you can see, it looks similar, but in detail it's a little bit different. But it fits amazing. Once it will be sticked to the rear lid, it will fit amazing, and I think it improves overall look of the 4C. But as always, I keep saying this, you can share your opinion on these additional parts. Do you love it or not? And we will discuss it with you in comments. Also, I have decided to replace rear side markers because US market versions had red ones in the back and orange one in the front. And US market version and European market version has the same orange one for the front and the rear. And I have decided to replace from red to orange the rear ones because I think they look better to have the same color. And also I needed to replace the front ones because mine was damaged, so I have ordered used one in good condition, and it will be replaced also. Also, I have ordered one more important thing, and I don't know why they packaged this small part in such big box, but let's open and see what's inside. When I bought this car came without any of the key, and initially I have this temporary key which was only able to start the car because it doesn't have any buttons, anything here. And this key that I have bought is coming from this beautiful Alfa Romeo 4C. Unfortunately, it was in road accident and this car came to scrap yard. If someone knows the owner of this car, you can say to him that part of this car will be living in mine, and his car will give new life to my car. So this one is original key, and all of you know, I hope, that this key is a little bit different from Giulietta key, because overall look of the key is the same, but 4C doesn't have button for opening the rear lid. So that's the only difference, and that's why this key is very important to have in this car. So that's all for today. You still have some time till the next episode to guess the color that I have chosen. And in the next episode, it will be presented to you. And I hope all of you will like it, because I really love it. And everybody who see this car here also love it and enjoy how it looks in this amazing color. So thanks for watching. Keep following, subscribe to my channel, hit likes. Thank you. See you.